What's up guys, and welcome to new video. And today, like always, we are working on my Benelli TNT. And today I want to talk about the first mod you should do on your bike. And no, I don't think about exhaust, about eco flash, about carbon parts, about new brake levers. I'm thinking about something much more important. This mod will make you feel much more comfortable on the bike. You will have much better body position and your rides will be much more enjoyable. And the best part about this mod it is that it's a dirt cheap. You can do this mod about for 20-30 bucks. And of course I'm talking about tang grips. I found my universal kit on the eBay. The link will be in description down below. Now you thinking why I didn't do tang grips on my bike earlier. Let me explain. For most bikes on the market you have Precut tang grips. So any Japanese bike you will have the tang grip that will work in the shape of your tank. But in my case I couldn't find any Precut tank pads. So like I said, I found some universal kit on eBay that I will cut to fit in this area here because my legs are hitting the tank right here. So believe me, when you buy your bike, this must be your first mod because it is very easy to do, it is very cheap, and you get bang for your buck. Tang grips are very important on your bike. I don't want to get too much technical in this topic, but the general idea is that you want to hold your bike, that you want to grip your bike with your legs. You don't want to hold on your bike with your hands on the handlebars. Your handlebars, your steering wheel, you should use just for steering inputs. When you're squeezing your handlebars too hard and when you hold on your bike with your hands, you get some wrist pain, you get some shoulder pains, and the ride is not enjoyable. And I don't want even to start about your cojones hitting your tank here. So invest in pair of tang grips and thank me later. Okay guys, now it's time to install these bad boys on the bike. So the idea is that these tang grips go like this, and we're gonna cut this excess part here. So let's get started. Okay guys, I'm already pre-cut this left side tank pad. Now I'm gonna just transfer to this right side, and then we're gonna slap them on the bike and see how they looks. Okay guys, like always, before you glue anything to your bike, we must clean the surface. And we're gonna do that with some rubbing alcohol. then we're gonna just slap the tank pad on. It's nice and clean. And it's that easy. Now we're gonna do the other side and we are finished with this mod. Okay guys, that will be all for today. This video was quite short because this is a very simple mod to do. I'm satisfied with today's job. Tang grips are a bit ugly, but what you can do, I couldn't find any others. So if you don't have tang grips on your bike, or if you're just buy your bike, please invest in this thing because it's worth every dollar. So if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section down below. And I will answer each and every one of you. If you want to see more videos like this where I'm working on my Benelli TNT, please subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!